Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGitter. Today we are going to talk about TJX RS. How can you activate your TJX RS credit card? If you are fond of shopping at stores like TJ Maxx, Marshall's HomeGoods, or Sierra, then this card can be a great way for you to earn rewards and save on your purchases. So let's know about TJX RS in detail and get your card ready for action. The TJX family of stores has a loyalty program called TJX Rewards, which includes TJ Maxx, Marshall's, HomeGoods, Sierra, and HomeSense. You need to accumulate enough points, and you'll get certificates that you can use like cash at any of these stores. But before you start earning points, you need to activate your card. To activate your card, you first need to open a browser on your system. To activate your card, first you have to open a browser on your system and go to locator.tjxrewards.com. Here you will see a simple form. You have to fill it and then submit it. After this, to activate your card, you have to go to Activate My Card. Here you have to enter your card information. As you can see on the screen, now make sure you have your TJX Rewards card with you, as you will need some details to complete the process. After this, you have to enter your card number and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification. After entering everything, you have to click on Submit Your Card. After doing this, you will see a confirmation message saying that your card is now activated. You will then need to enter your card number and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification. Once everything is entered, you will need to click Submit Your Card. Once the card is activated, you will receive a confirmation message, and your card will be ready to be used for shopping. If you face any issues during activation, you can contact TJX Rewards customer service for assistance. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with others. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great day.